Hey guys, it's Matt from CJ Off-Road. We're headed down to the Ocean City Jeep Show in Ocean City, Maryland. I'm pretty excited to go to this show. We've got a nice booth set up. We were here last year, and honestly, I've been coming to this show for a bunch of years now, and it's been getting bigger and bigger as time goes. There's a lot of vendors here. The city is a great place to have a Jeep show. There's nightlife, there's plenty to do. Get down here to Ocean City, and we'll show you guys around and see what it's like. All right, editor, cue the epic montage.
Welcome again to Ocean City Jeep Week 2018, right here at the HQ at the Ocean City Convention Center. Remember, we're here all weekend, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Enjoy Ocean City Jeep Week 2018, the East Coast's coolest and biggest Jeep event on the beach.
Got a rooftop tent set up. We got all the Jeeps set up. We got some people playing cornhole too. It's gonna be a great time. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the show, talk about a couple things, and I'll catch you guys around. We got everything here at CJ's that you're gonna need. We got flyers here. Now these things are gonna be made out of an ancient scroll material that we actually found on eBay. We printed it on here. It's just for you guys, 10% off code. We got these stickers here too. You're not gonna believe we spent about $2 grand on each sticker. We've got turquoise in here. We got some rose gold on the Jeep. Got some ruby back here. Heck, we've even got t-shirts here, and these are cashmere. These are Calvin Klein, so be sure to stop by, get yourself one. All right guys, so we're outside, and one of the best parts about this show is it's almost two parts of the show. There's some inside and there's some outside. So we're gonna be outside in the parking lot where there's a lot of cool vendors set up, talk to some of those guys, kind of show you around and see some of the Jeeps that are here. Follow me. First order of business, this flower pot is absolutely awesome. I mean, it looks like they have steel construction in it, some nice plants in there. The mulch could use a little bit updated, but it's pretty nice, right off the bat, gotta say. People are gonna be like, what the fuck? If you're looking for anything for your Jeep or accessories for you, t-shirts, bumpers, lift kits. I've seen some radios down there. They got lifts, wheels, tires, all sorts of things. But best deals you're gonna find right here at CJ Pony Parts. We'll still show you around a little bit and see what other people have. This kind of throws back a little bit, like you said, to the Power Wheels build that we did with Freddie. But if you look up front, like the hood, the grill, it's a JK. Like, you're ready to rip up the mall with that thing. I'll be honest with you guys, you go around these shows and you see a lot of the same Jeeps. It's year after year, different venues, different locations, but sometimes you see Jeeps that are a little bit different. Now I've got, it looks like about a 2016 four-door behind me, and it's got this Kevlar wrap with some camo on it, Dirty Life wheels, Maxxis tires. I mean, this is a nice rig. PRP seats in there. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. All right, let's see if any of our friends are here.
I didn't think you had any friends.
I don't really. Sometimes it's just by association. So sometimes I have to pay to make friends, but don't record that. So while I was walking around, I actually ran into Joe, and Joe's from Under the Sun Inserts. We carry Under the Sun Inserts on our JKs, on our JLs, and they're an awesome product. It's a super simple install, and they've got a lot of different variety of them out here. Joe, why do you love coming to this show?
We love Ocean City because it's a very family-friendly show. We see a lot of the same faces every year, which is great. We're hearing a lot of great things about our product, and it's good to see, our dealer friends like you. It's just, we've been lucky this weekend with the weather. It's been perfect, so we're happy.
It should be a great show. They got a lot of events at night and stuff like that, so I'm really excited to go to those. Last year we actually hung out at night and stuff too, so that was a good time. But we're going to keep cruising along. Joe, it's a pleasure talking to you.
See you guys.
Nice products. We'll see you around. If you're a Jeep guy or a girl, you really need to get out to these shows. For us, it's a couple hours away. I've traveled as far as Daytona, Florida to go to Jeep shows. And honestly, it's where you find your community members. It's where you find, all the vendors, all the products that you've been looking at. You see new products, you see new Jeeps, different builds that you haven't seen before. So honestly, if you can make it out to these shows, it might take a little bit, but Ocean City, this is like a vacation down here. So go, have a good time, get a hotel, bring your family down, and just enjoy it. Now, I'll see you next time on CJ Off-Road, and if you're interested in any more off-road content, be sure to subscribe to our off-road YouTube channel. See you guys later.